Are you an engineer stuck on site but want to build an online future? Here are 5 powerful AI tools you can use for free, right from your phone. Use ChatGPT to write reports, estimates, project proposals, or solve technical doubts. Just ask, write a site progress report for a residential building, and done. No more wasting hours on PowerPoint. Gamma uses AI to make stunning project decks from simple text. Engineers can now explain complex ideas with visuals, fast. Got a photo of your blueprint with unwanted marks? Upload it to Magic Eraser, tap, and boom, clean drawings. Want to show a client how their building might look? Leonardo AI helps you generate high-quality architectural renders for free. You can teach civil concepts, site updates, or portfolio breakdowns using CapCut and Voice from TTSMaker. It's how I built this video, all on mobile. Liked it? Subscribe to OnSite to Online, where your engineering skills meet smart earning. Download my free mobile hustle toolkit below and start building your digital future today.